Hello everyone, today in this video we will be learning how to find the square root of 4096. So we will be using the prime factorization method or the ladder method for finding the square root of 4096. For that we are going to divide 4096 by prime numbers. So first we'll make a ladder and we'll divide 4096 by prime numbers. I'm going to write first 4 prime numbers on the right hand side so that it is easy for us in our prime factorization method. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the, as 4096 is an even number, so we'll divide 4096 by first prime number, which is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 will be carried over to the next number here. So this becomes 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Now this is again an even number, so we can use 2 to divide this number. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. Again we can use 2. As 1024 is an even number, we can use 2 to divide this number. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Next we'll divide by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 1 will be carried over, so this becomes 11. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 is carried over to the next digit, so this becomes 12, and 2 times 6 is 12. Next we'll divide by 2 again. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 will be carried over to the next digit, so this becomes 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. This is again an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 it will be carried over to the next digit, so this becomes 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we got all the prime factors of 4096 on the left hand side of the ladder. So now let's write 4096 as the product of its factors. So 4096 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 2's are there, so we'll write it as a product of its factors. For finding the square root, let's take the square root. So we'll write the factors under the square root sign. As we are finding the square root, so let's write these numbers in terms of squares. So this becomes 2 square times 2 square times 2 square times 2 square times 2 square. As these numbers are in square, these numbers can come out of the square root sign. So this becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So square root of 4096 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 is 32, and 32 times 2 is 64. So the square root of 4096 is 64. So this is how, by using the prime factorization method, you can find the square root of any number easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.